sa La Coachera. So, andito na naman tayo sa Las Vegas, Nevada, guys. Andito na naman tayo, La Coacha mode. So, today, wala tayong deliver. I think we are deliver on Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
On Wednesday. So, nagkumala kami muna, guys. We spend time for looking around here in Las Vegas, guys. So, we're gonna look now the famous car. What is that car?
These are the Ford Mustangs that are made even better by Carroll Shelby, and his company is Shelby American. Show them the sign.
Shelby American. Shelby American, guys.
They call them Cobra Mustang.
Yeah.
These are really awesome cars and super fast and powerful.
So we're going inside. So I'm gonna show you inside, guys. First time ko din pumunta dito. So let's go. Dito siya, guys. Shelby.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Save the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
The ones like this with the 289 motor were just called Cobra. He built another one that had a 427 Ford motor in it, and he called it SC Cobra, which stands for Super Cobra.
That's nice. Driving here today. It's 456. That's nice. Ito yung mga racing cars, guys. The expensive car, a Shelby car.
Well, you can buy a Mustang for like $30,000. Bring it here and add another $40,000 to it, and they will turn it into a Shelby Cobra Mustang.
Nice, diba? It's nice. Those racing cars, guys, the old cars, racing car, Shelby. So cool.
Most of these cars will come in here with 400 horsepower and leave with 800 horsepower. This is a Ford GT40. It's a GT, but it's the top of the roof is exactly 40 inches off the ground. So it's called the GT40. The engine is behind the driver's seat.
Racing. I think this is $1 million.
Yeah, probably.
Oh,
You can buy a brand new one, I think, for $250,000. That one looks like one of the very first ones ever made.
I like this car.
That's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't like the color
So
though.
I like the color.
I would paint it that color.
It's nice also. Shelby Cobra Jet. Wow. It's a Cobra Jet. Look at this back. Looks like a Corvette, the back.
That's a GT350. Yeah, I think it's like a 65 or 66 Mustang.
Wow.
These are pretty, aren't they?
Look on. This is a nice. I like that color red. This is dark red.
Yeah.
The
Well, this
color.
one's more of a burgundy. This one's more of a red.
There's a cherry bird.
This one's called the Super Snake.
What is that antenna?
What are you looking at?
Antenna? What is that?
This? Well, at high speeds, the hood opens from the front like this. So you put locking pins in there to keep the hood in case it didn't get closed all the way. High-speed wind will pull the hood up, and that is just to prevent that. This is like old school, old style. That was like new style. See this one here? Unlike that other one with the 289, this one says 427SC. That stands for Super Cobra because it's got the 427 motor. It's a lot bigger engine.
Look at this other one.
This one is the same thing as like this.
That's a 50. What is that? I don't know
Yeah,
what it is.
they're kind of like the same thing like this, but it's a, what do you call it, a coupe. And this one's a roadster. See, Shelby Daytona coupe.
Oh,
And there's only a few of them
Latina.
around.
But you can't go in there, right?
Well, you know what? They did tours at the old building. I don't know if they do it. It looks like they're doing tours right there.
Free tour start here.
We got a vehicle with a little 289 cubic inch. It's very fast.
And the wheels compared to that. This is Carroll Shelby.
Shelby?
This is Carroll Shelby. This is the man that created the Cobra Mustang. Now he started out as a farmer, I understand. Let's take the tour. Thank you, sir. Last time I took this tour, I was at the old tour. We'll just spend about 5 minutes out of here. I didn't know they were doing I like what the guy on the video said. Put the Corvette in.
Chicken farmer would be a pretty good way to start. He started there after the war. Before the war, he worked on a farm with his dad. He was a farmer, and that's fun. Take that back. His dad wasn't a farmer. His dad delivered the mail. He was the mailman.
He died in like '09, right?
Shelby, May of 2012.
When you look at what I call the real McCoy Cobra, there's the real McCoy right there.
So yun guys, so that's all the old cars, the Shelby cars, the racing cars. That's the expensive cars. So thank you again for having us for this video guys. So see you to my next video guys. Magtutour tayo dito sa Las Vegas. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye guys.